Okay, children. Very good morning, all the children. First, all are on your videos. On your videos, children. Okay. Are you ready for the class? Okay, children. Welcome to the EBS class, all the children. What is our subject, children? Read subject name. ENVI, RON, MEN, TAL, STUDIES, ENVI, RON, MEN, TAL, STUDIES, Environmental Studies. Okay. What is our subject name? Environmental Studies. Once again, read all the children. Subject name read Manichandana. Look at the board. R. Alekya. Yeah, very good. R. Alekya. Okay. ENVI, RON, MEN, TAL, STUDIES. M. Vignesh, K. Velu Yadav, Hamsini, Vishnu. You must on your videos. Your in-charge teacher will take attendance now. So, all are on your videos. Look at the board. Okay. Okay, children. In this EVS subject, already completed 4 lessons. What is the first lesson? What is the first lesson? Isa Varun Reddy. First lesson is human body. What is the lesson name? Human body. HUMANBODY. Human body. And second lesson is our internal organs. What is the second lesson? Yeah, very good, Aya. What is the second lesson? Our internal organs. R. Alekya, Ayan, K. Venu Yadav, Hamsini. You must on your videos. Next one, third lesson. What is the third lesson? The plant world. The lesson name is the plant world. Third lesson. And next one is fourth lesson. Fourth lesson is animal world. What is the lesson name? Already completed. Previous class only completed. Animal world. What is the lesson name? Animal world completed. Already I gave adverts also. I am given adverts from the fourth lesson. Okay, so you complete your fourth lesson. In fairness also you complete, children. Okay, today I am going to teach a new lesson. Okay, today I am going to teach one new lesson. You know very well already in previous class you learnt about birds. What is the lesson in that? Can you guess anyone? What is the fifth lesson? Can you guess anyone? What is the fifth lesson? About the birds. Yeah, very good, Pajuri Rajesh. Beaks and claws. Very good, Rajput Manisha. The lesson name is beaks and claws. Right. Here I am writing all the children. Read now. The lesson name is beaks and claws. BEAKS. Beaks. Read again. BEAKS. Beaks. and claws. 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 Beaks and claws. Yeah, very good, Ayan. What is the lesson name? Beaks and claws. Claws. You know very well. Yeah, Abhinay, Harini, and Alekya, don't turn off your videos, children. Sit in one place. Sit in permanent place. You select one permanent place and sit properly. Kolguri, Hamsini, Ayan. Okay? Yeah. Are you ready for the class now? Srishant, Chepuri Srishant. Sit in one place. Okay? Beaks. B-E-A-K-S. Beaks. Read the spelling, all the children. Mandeep ready. Look at the board. B-E-A-K-S. Beaks. Read again. B-E-A-K-S. Beaks. A-N-D and. A-N-D and. Claws. C-L-A-W-S. Claws. C-L-A-W-S. Claws. Chepuri Srishan, where is your notes? Show me. Chepuri Srishan, show your notes. K. Venu Yadav, Zoya Malika, Rampaka Svecha Pravasti, Chepuri Srishan, Erra Vivek, all are must on your videos, Nana. Okay? So, beaks and claws. You know already in 4th class, in previous class already I taught about the birds. So, the lesson name is Feathers of Birds. What is the lesson name? Feathers Friends. Sorry. What is the lesson name? Feathers Friends. Already I taught in 3rd class. In your previous class I taught. Okay. What is the lesson name? Feathers Friends. What did you learn on the lesson? You learn about beaks of birds, feathers of birds, and futures of birds. Okay. You learned about about the total birds, feathers of the birds. Okay, in this lesson, in this class, in 4th class I am telling you. Okay, in Rampaka Svecha Pravasti, you are disturbing a lot. Okay, in this lesson, beaks and claws lesson. Okay, which animals have beaks and claws? You know first, do you know? Which animals have beaks and claws? Which animals have beaks and claws? Svecha? Manisha? Can you say anyone? So, birds have beaks and claws. You know very well. All I got. For example, here I am drawing one bird, children. Look at the board, all are first. Okay, just here I am drawing one sparrow. Here I am drawing one sparrow. Can you see all the children sparrow? In your surroundings, many times you can see the sparrow. Just here I am drawing roughly. So listen carefully. Just can you see here? For example, this is a bird. Okay, so this part is called beak. Okay, this part is called beak. You know very well. Birds, all the birds are very colorful, most colorful and very beautiful birds. You know very well. In your surroundings also, you can see many birds. Can you say some names? Anybody? Say some birds' name. M. Vignesh. Say some birds' name. Parrot, pigeon, sparrow, crow, hen. These all are the birds. Yeah, parrot. Very good, Aya. Okay, these all are the birds, children. You know very well. Birds all are, you know, most beautiful, beautiful and very colorful. Am I correct? So birds have beaks. So these are beaks. So this part is called beak. Okay, birds have beaks instead of teeth. Instead of teeth. So birds are not. Birds have only beaks, not a nose. Not have a teeth. Birds not have teeth. Birds have only beaks. Did you understand all the children? Hamsini, Ayan, Alekia, Venu Yadav, Zoya Malika, your teacher will take attendance now. If you are on off your video, teacher will give absent. Pajuri Rajesh, Zoya Malika. Again, another, once again, I am not repeated. I am not repeat this word. Did you understand? So, this is beaks. Yeah, eagle, parrot, sparrow, duck, swan, Svecha Pravasi, very good. Okay? So, these all the birds have only beaks instead of teeth. Not have a teeth. Birds have not have a teeth. Birds have a beaks. You know very well. So, this part is called the beak. Already you learned in 3rd class. Feathers Friends lesson. Okay? So, the beaks are also called bills. Okay, this part is also called bills. B-I-L-L-S, bills. Okay, the beaks are also called. Did you understand all the children? The beaks are also called bills. B-I-L-L-S. Okay, I am enough. First, listen the lesson. Stop chatting. Manichandana, stop Nana. First, listen lesson carefully. Akiti Pradeep, on your video. Okay? Did you understand, children? Birds have beaks instead of teeth. Instead of teeth, the birds not have a teeth. So birds have beaks. Here I drawn. Did you see here? Yeah, very good. So the beaks are also called bills. The beaks are also called as bills. B-I-L-L-S. So you know very well. Different birds have a different kind of beaks. Each birds are not have a same beaks. You know very well. Already you learned in beaks of birds lesson. What feathers friends lesson. So for example, here I drawn two pictures. For example, here I drawn just a beak, student. For example, eagle. You see the eagle. Hooked beak. Eagle beak is hooked beak. So this is an eagle. Can you see all the children? Eagle. Why? Because eagle is turn the flesh of other animals. So this is hooked and strong beak. For example, now sparrow. See, sparrow beak is very short beak. See the differences. Here I drawn only eagle beak and here I drawn a sparrow beak. What is the difference? See, so this is a hooked beak. So that is why here I am telling different birds have different kinds of beaks. Each bird have different kind of beak. Did you understand, children? They use their beaks for purpose of to peck and to fight. Okay, here I am writing. Okay, the beaks are also called as bills. The beaks are also called as beaks. Bills. B-I-L-L-S. Did you understand, children? The beaks are also called as bills. Okay? They use their bills for what? To fight, to peck, and hold their food. Did you understand, Meshana, Mandeep Reddy, Isa Marun Reddy? Okay? To hold their food and search food in the ground also. For example, did you see all the children? Hen. Hen search food in the ground and hold things. Mandeep Reddy, hold things and build their nest. Here I am writing. beaks, they use their beaks for the purpose of to peck, to fight, okay, to fight, and to hold their food. Did you understand, children? To hold their food. And next one, what search food in the ground. Search food in the ground. Okay, children. So hold things to build their nest. Okay, did you understand, children? Here I am explaining about the beaks. Okay, just first which topic I am here explaining? Beaks. About the beaks I am telling you first. Okay, what is the lesson name first? Beaks and claws. Did you understand? What is the lesson name? Beaks and claws. So first here I am explaining today. I am going to explain only beaks. You know very well the beaks are also called as bills. So all the birds not have same beaks. In different birds have different different kinds of beaks. And I showed two pictures. One an eagle and one is a sparrow. So how is a beaks? Two different of beaks are there. Okay. So they even use their beaks to clean their feathers also. Clean their feathers. Okay. Clean their feathers. Here I am writing. Did you understand, children? Clean their feathers from their oil glands. So this is called, this clean their feathers are called a preening. Preening. P-R-E-E-N-I-N-G. P-R-E-E-N-I-N-G. Preening. Did you understand, children? So even their feathers, what they do so by applying oil on their feathers. Applying oil on their feathers from their oil glands. From their oil glands. So this is called preening. So even use beaks to clean their feathers. Alright, see here, I don't know, see. So this is a beak, children. From this beak to clean their feathers. Did you understand, Alekia? Clean their feathers. How they clean? So they do so by applying oil their feathers. Applying oil their feathers from their oil glands. So birds have oil glands, children. Birds have oil glands. Did you understand, children? Listen carefully. Okay? Birds have oil glands. From their oil glands to apply their oil. Apply the oil. They do so by applying oil, their feathers from their oil glands. From their oil glands to apply the feathers oil. So this is total process is called by preening. What is the total process is called by preening. Did you understand, children? What is a preening? Preening means so even their beaks to clean their feathers. Birds are clean their beaks to clean their feathers. Chaipuri Srishan, clean their feathers. Okay, and they do so by applying oil on their feathers. Applying oil on their feathers from their oil glands. So oil glands are releasing the oil. What is your doubt, Svecha? any doubts, raise your hand on your mobile. Raise your hand, Svecha Pravasi. If you have any doubts, raise your hand on your mobile. I will unmute. Yeah, what is your doubt, Svecha? Unmute girl first.
Oil glands were having, teacher.
I will show the
Oil glands.
and afterwards I will show.
Oil glands were having, teacher.
That is only I am telling, Svecha Pravasi. I will show the picture. Afterwards I will show the picture. Okay. Did you understand, Svecha Pravasi? Okay. See children. Okay, oil glands. Oil glands, I will show the picture. Where are that? I will show the picture oil glands. So, from the oil glands to release the oil and from the beak too. Okay, beak too. It clean their feathers and they do so by applying the oil. Okay, applying the oil on their feathers from the oil glands. So, this total process is called by preening. Did you understand? This total process is called by preening. Preening. Okay, this is about the beaks. Okay, and the beaks also, types of beaks are there. How many types of beaks are there? Can you say anyone? How many types of beaks are there? 8 types of beaks are there. How many types of beaks are there? 8 types. Okay, 8 types of beaks are there. Yes, very good, Rajput Manisha. So, first one, tomorrow I will explain types of beaks. Did you understand all the children this topic? Tomorrow I will show you where are the oil glands. Okay, see, once again I'm repeat this, children. So, the beaks, birds have the beaks instead of teeth. So, birds have no teeth. Okay, birds have only beaks. So the beaks are also called as bills. B-I-L-L-S, bills. The beaks are also called as bills. Okay, so and different birds have different types of beaks. All the birds' beaks are not the same. Did you understand, children? So each you learnt in previous class the beaks of birds. Okay, they use their beaks for to peck and to fight and hold their food and search food in the ground and clean their feathers. Okay, and clean their feathers and they apply the oil from the oil glands. It takes the oil glands to apply the oil, feathers from the oil glands. This total process is called by cleaning. First, from the beaks to clean their feathers. Did you understand, children? From the beaks to clean their feathers, and after they do so by applying oil on their feathers. Applying on their oil from their feathers from their oil glands. From their oil glands. So this is called preening. What is that? Read again. What is that? Yeah, very good, Manisha. Preening. What is that? Preening. Okay. Tomorrow I will show you where are the oil glands. That is only your doubt, no? So tomorrow I will show the picture. Did you understand, children? Okay. So tomorrow I will explain types of beaks. What is it? Types of beaks. So, total how many types of beaks are there? 8 types of beaks. How many types of beaks? Already you learned in previous class, third class, just beaks of birds. You see the difference only. Yeah, very good, Manisha. You see the difference. Some are the beaks are curved shape, some are the beaks are hooked shape, some are the beaks are short. Okay, some of the beaks are long and strong beaks. Some of the beaks are curved shapes. Like that you learnt in third class. So now in this class you learn types of birds. So different types of birds beaks are there. Types of beaks. So here I am showing the types of beaks. How many types of beaks are there? 8 types. So tomorrow I will explain 8 types of beaks. Did you understand all the children today's topic? If you have any doubts, raise your hand. Yeah, what is your doubt, Ella Vivek? What is your doubt, Vivek? Unmute boy. Vivek. First unmute in your mobile.
No doubt, teacher.
And why are you raised your hand? Okay, children. Okay, no doubt. Did you understand all the children topic? Yeah. Okay, children. Thank you. I hope you all are understood very well. And if you have any doubts also, you call me. I will tell. Okay. Thank you, children.